All right, real quick video here. This is really good client's new truck, work truck. It was bought basically to tow his GT3 RS across the country in a trailer. Just came in for front PPF, so we just got done with that. But of course, every time he brings a car, it always starts to rain. You see the raindrops on the lens. But yeah, PPF on the front. We remove all of this so the film goes in smooth. There's no edges to be seen. Same thing here, that gets removed. Film goes underneath, and now the car is protected on the front because they will make a cross-country trip with its brand new 2500 HD, Duramax, High Country, what have you. And this is truly a quick video I'm taking because he's already here and he's on a tight schedule. Has to go pick up the trailer, pick up the car. Everything needs to be done for them to make their trip. He makes content for Champion Porsche, and I believe also now for Porsche of North America. I believe that's what the trip is for. So he brings me a lot of cars, and maybe tomorrow I think he just picked up a 997 Turbo that we'll do a paint correction on, full body PPF, etc. And I guess he'll do some content with that as well, because as I just mentioned, he already has his brand new GT3 RS. He has a Cayenne Turbo GT. I forget. He has a couple of other cars. He's, like I said, he works with Champion, and not for them. He works with them, and I believe Porsche North America as well. Anyway, so this is like I said, a quick video, short, but everything is PPF'd. As always, try to highlight. You don't see edges anywhere. I mean, the edge is way tucked in there. You wouldn't know that there's PPF here because you can't see or feel anything. I mean, there's some edges sometimes that are a little bit exposed, but that's to be expected. So yeah, Chevy High Country Allison Duramax 2500.